Ultimately, you actually put them in like the machine and laminate them.
Please shut up. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I am Tisha Marie. If you are wondering why I am makeup free today, you can just take a look at the title below and take a guess at what we're doing. So today I am going to be trying to laminate my brows and crossing my fingers and hoping that my eyebrows don't fall out. So if you're interested in seeing how this goes for me, then just keep watching. So before we get into this brow lamination, if you are not already, make sure that you click on that subscribe button below and turn on your post notification bell so that you're notified every time I post a new video. Now let's go ahead and get into the video. All right guys, so the brow lamination kit that I'm going to be using today is this one that I ordered from Amazon, Elevate the Beauty Long-Term Eyebrow Lamination Kit. It's actually the mini kit, and I'm just now noticing that, but it says that it provides between 4 and 6 laminations, so hopefully that's true. It says that it's supposed to last 6 weeks. I feel like that's probably a lie, but it also says that you get instant lamination results. I have not opened this yet, so I'm gonna go ahead and open it with you and see what we have in here. I did watch, okay, what we have in this kit, this is what comes in it. It looks like a full-length spoolie, a lifting solution, fixation solution, nutrition, and a cleanse. And you also get some spoolies and what looks like some little cleansing tools. So I also have some Q-tips on hand and some disposable makeup remover pads. And I realized that I was supposed to have a saran wrap and I forgot to get that. I'm going to improvise with some Ziploc bags that I just cut into halves. And the thing that it says to do first is use the cleanser solution to remove oils, dust, and makeup remnants. So I'm going to go ahead and do that first. I did notice that it doesn't say what to use with the cleanser solution, like if I should use a cotton pad, a spoolie, or a Q-tip or what. So I'm just going to use a Q-tip. I'm going to stick my Q-tip in there and I'm just going to brush it through my brows. Step number 2 says to use a clean micro brush to apply lifting solution. Ensure the solution fully covers the eyebrow hair and let it sit for 8 to 13 minutes. Solution number 1 will soften eyebrow hair and change elasticity. This is the lifting solution. Ooh, it actually really stinks since I've taken the stopper out of it. Oh my, yeah, I'm kind of scared, y'all. So I'm just putting the brush in here and I'm gonna try to do this pretty quickly because I have to time how long it's on my eyebrows. Oh my God, this smells so bad. And I'm actually gonna brush them into position even though it says not to do that until the lifting solution. I have a solution on my brows and now I'm going to cover them with a plastic wrap. I look crazy. All right, this has to be timed, so I'll be right back. I look really dumb, but I wanted to show you guys. It's almost done processing, but look at how straight my brow hairs are getting. Can't lie, I'm so scared that my brows are not gonna turn out right. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply this to my brows. I'm gonna get my brush so that I can shape them how I want them. So when you apply it, direct your brows in the desired way. All right, got it. I want these hairs to go up. The hairs in the front, I want to go up. You know what? I probably should brush them into the shape that I want them in first and then apply the solution. This is laminating my brow, by the way.
Ultimately, you actually put them in like the machine and laminate them.
Please shut up. All right, I think that one looks good. So let me brush this one into how I want it. Brows are so damn soft now. Oh my God, I cannot believe this. I better not ever have another bad brow day after this, guys. Like, all right, I'm gonna go off camera and do this one because I don't want to take too long with this. All right, so I lightly filled in my brows. They look so good. Like, I'm super impressed with how they look now. They looked good before I went and filled them in with pencil, but now they look really good. Wow, I'm impressed. I love it. All right, so needless to say, I am happy with my result. If you guys are thinking about laminating your brows, I would definitely say go for it. If anything should happen within the next few days with my brows and it just all goes to shit, I will let you guys know in my comments down below. If you guys have any questions about this process, this kit, my results, please leave your questions down below in the comment section. I'll be sure to answer them as always. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.